Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County, northeastern Medina County, northern Summit County until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Lakewood to 6 miles south of North Royalton and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Macedonia, Cleveland Heights, Twinsburg, Solon. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, Medina, and Summit.
Urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Alright, it should be on any second now.